I'm Dodo Bird. Since today is Friday the 13th, I'm going to break the mirror with this hammer. Ha 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 ha. Yay! I broke the mirror on Friday the 13th. Yay! I broke the mirror on Friday the 13th.
Dodo Bird, did we just hear that you broke the mirror on Friday the 13th?
Oh crap! It's Austin and Ashley.
You better tell us the truth.
Boom, 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 boom. Yes, I broke the mirror on Friday the 13th.
Oh, Dodo Bird, how dare you break the mirror on Friday the 13th? You know that can get you 7 years of bad luck.
And thanks to you, we have to buy a new mirror because of you. And now you will have 7 years of bad luck because of you breaking the mirror.
That's it. You are grounded for 10 days.
Go to your room now. Or else.